Don't tell nobody if you put your hands on me.
What's up, everybody? It's me, Ashley, and welcome back to my channel. As y'all can tell by the title of this video, I'm just gonna be showing y'all how I make my little hang tags for literally basically free, because I already have the stuff at home. But yeah, I'll link everything that you need for this video down in the description box. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so boom, let's get into this tutorial or whatever you want to call it. So I'm using the Canva app, and I just typed in hang tag in the search bar there, and you saw all the different hang tags. It don't matter which one you choose, because we're just going to delete everything on the page. We're starting with a blank surface. But if you know the size tag you want, you can always do like the custom dimensions and type in the size tag or whatever. With this one, I can fit like 6 or 8 tags on a page, because you know I print them at home. So right now I was just going through the fonts to find me a font that will work for like my logo part. So I'm just typing in my brand name. I like to use all capital letters because I don't know, I just think like it look good for me. So that is what I use. And then you want to go ahead and change the color up, because first of all, you print on a regular printer if you're doing this, you know, the affordable way, so that may not show up as good. I know for my printer it won't show up as good. So change that color. So what I did was I hit the plus in the bottom left hand corner. Ooh, this is moving fast. And I am looking at the elements. Didn't mean to add that there, but I like to use the heart element on my hang tag. But on this home page, it shows you a bunch of different elements that you can use, which I use this when I'm doing like a bunch of marketing stuff like Instagram or whatever. Then that's what I use this for. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to use a heart, and you just want to go ahead and play around with the size of the heart, you know, get it to your liking, get it to your brand liking, play around with the color. We just go ahead and move that to the back, because we want our font to be on top forever and always. You want your logo to be the main focus. We're just going to change the color of the heart, because the black wasn't given what it was supposed to have gave. It was given very much so blending in with my logo, and we don't want that, because we want people to know that, yo, like, this is like your brand. So I'm also going to go ahead and change the color of the shadow of like the vein babe, because first of all, it was salmon. My brand color is not salmon, baby. We do pink. Right now we do different variations of pink, but we do pink. So right now I'm just going and I'm finding like another text to use for like my website or your Instagram handle, TikTok handle, Twitter handle, YouTube, whatever you need this for. So for the sake of this video, we're just going to put in my website, which is vainbabe.com. Go shop with me. You just want to kind of adjust that and put that where you want to put it. And this is pretty much it. And I don't put nothing on the back, because we ain't got ink for that, and that's where I put my barcode. Once I print my item and I cut it with my paper cutter, you can also cut it with scissors. This is what you have. I printed on cardstock paper. It's a little durable and a little thicker than regular printer paper. But they also, this isn't the thickest cardstock paper, but this works for me. I do want to use something thicker than this, but for right now, this is what works. So as you can see on mine though, I actually added like my social media handles, so like my Instagram, my TikTok, and you can find like these little symbols in the elements, but these do cost. So I recommend having like Canva Pro at least for a month, where you get like all of your marketing things and stuff like this together. But how I attach the tag is, you see it's cut off. So we have this paper cutter that, not the paper cutter, but we have this hole puncher that I got from Dollar Tree when things were still $1. But now they're like $1.25, so it's still not that bad. And I just take it. I like to make sure I try to put it like in the center. I use the heart as reference, and I just hole punch that. That's a little off center, but it'll be okay. It'll be okay. And then I got like a bunch of these like tag attachers that just look like this. I got these from Amazon. They were like really cheap. And I'll make sure to link all this down below in the description. And we just want to put that in a hole, and it's really easy to like close them. So now like it's closed. And how I attach these to my physical items is with safety pins, and I got gold safety pins because that's just on scene for me. And I just got like a bunch of these. I just put them in this bag. I got these from Joann's for like $2. But when I attach them to shorts, when I attach them to like jeans, I just attach them to the belt loop here. So I just close it around the belt loop, and it looks like that. Attach them to actual clothing, which I have I have pieces that I need to take up there to painterly. I attach them with a safety pin, and I like to attach them through the tag or through the seam. So through the tag or through the seam, just so I don't damage like the physical item. So yeah, that is everything. This is how I make my hang tag super cheaply, super fast. And check the description box for all the links, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.